Yes, you can use any color you want, whatever color you want. And after that, I'm going to pour some red color here. Green. You have to take 2, 3 colors in your plate. Now you have to take thread. Dip half of the thread in yellow color. Like this. After that, other half of the thread dip in red color. All of you are doing with me.
Yes, ma'am, I can see all of them are very engrossed in the activity. So, kids, if you have any doubt, you can just type in the chat, or you can tell me if you want me to unmute you for any doubt. But it will be great. You can just type in, if you can type in your doubt in the chat box, and I'll tell it to Kiran, ma'am. So, we have a lot of children who are saying yes in the chat box. So, very good children. Just keep following what ma'am is doing.
Okay. Leave a little portion of thread wet, dry. Okay.
Ma'am, they're asking how long should the thread be? Like any
Whatever size they
specification?
want.
Okay. I hope Devishi it cleared you out. Any size of thread
Okay.
is
Any size you want, you can take the thread. Any. Now, what you have to do, take a sheet and fold it from the middle. You have to fold the sheet from the middle of the portion. Now, You have to take a thread and place on the sheet in whatever shape you want. Just like this. Now fold it. Put your hand there and put a pressure on the paper. Now you have to pull a thread. So with thread, you can get a pattern like this. Okay. Similarly, like this, take another color. Here I'm going to take green now. Now take a sheet again. Put thread like this and make another pattern. What you have to do? Put a pressure on your paper and just pull a thread. Open it.
So Kiran ma'am, they are saying, can you show them how to do it again on another sheet of another white sheet?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, Adya, just see what ma'am is doing. She'll do it once again. Yes, ma'am.
Actually, I want to make a flower bouquet here. That's why I'm taking same sheet with a different color.
Okay, ma'am. Adya, what do you want to exactly see, beta? Can you type in the chat box? आपको क्या समझ में नहीं आया? Which step is not clear? Cannot see Adya. Oh. Also, ma'am, can you zoom out a little bit? Yeah, I think this is better. Yeah, this sheet is visible now.
It's better.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think we can move forward.
Okay.
Also, can we see once what all the children have done till now? It will be great to just see their progress.
Yeah.
So all the children who are here in the Zoom call and who are making it, just show us what you've done till now. Wow, amazing! I can see Yashvi, Swara.
I
I
can see
can,
Swara. I can see only Swara.
ma'am, just see RV, Zayan, Leher, Ishita, and Tanvi, and oh wow, Prabhani, Batul, Rutuja, Devanshi, Kaustubh, Bhuvan, beautiful, Dwiti, very pretty. Bhanupriya,
Yeah,
Janisha,
everyone has done beautifully.
yeah, Ayan, very beautiful, Varuni. So others, I hope all of you are making it as well. Nikshay, Tanvi, beautiful, Kaira, Vaishnavi, Kaira, Pratyush, Nihira. I can see Jayvardhan. I can see Pratyush, Avleen, Danish. Very beautiful, very beautiful. Jay, Mariam, Julia, Devishi. Very good kids, very good. I think, ma'am, they have they are understanding what you're doing, and I think we can move forward.
Okay. Wait.
Ma'am, Nikshay is also
Okay,
asking,
so
can
we
you
are
repeat?
going to take, yes, I can repeat. So for you, I am repeating here again. What you have to do, take any color which you want, like here I'm taking blue color. Now take a thread, whichever thread you have, and dip this thread into a color, just like I'm doing here.
Ma'am, Renal is asking, can we dilute the colors?
Yes, you can. Okay, now I'm not able to see the chat.
Don't worry, ma'am. I'll tell you if there's any doubt coming.
Okay. Lift some of the portion of the thread like this. Okay, you don't have to put all the thread into the color. Now, take a sheet and fold it from the middle, just like I'm doing here. Now you have to take a thread and with thread make any pattern you want. Fold the paper like this. And what you have to do, put a pressure on a paper and just pull the thread. And you will get a pattern like this. Okay.
Children, just type in the chat box if you understood what Kiran ma'am just explained, or show a thumbs up. Nikshay is saying okay. Some children are showing thumbs up. Suhan is very happy. Suhan is drawing everything, it seems. Very good.
Now you can use 2 or 3 colors more. Yes, you can show.
Yes, it's very beautiful, Mariam. Very beautiful. I can see it.
Are we repeating it? Yes, we are repeating it. But this time I'm going to take a yellow color. Now I'm going to make another pattern like this here. Fold it. Yes, I'm doing it here again. You can see. And just pull the thread. Hello, Irman.
Yashvi is very pretty. Yashvi has already made something, ma'am, and Suhan, and I can also see Sumani. So they've made some very pretty thread works. Very beautiful people. So, ma'am, we are making like a bouquet, right? Flower bouquet.
Yeah. Now we are going to make take another sheet, and this time we make butterfly with the thread.
So
All of you
all
are
the
done
children,
with these
yeah.
patterns.
All the flowers are there on your sheet. You can show, all the kids can show, ma'am. We'll just check what they've done till now.
Okay.
All the kids just showcase what you made. I can see Batul. Batul is showing something. Very
I
good.
can see Hiba,
Aman.
Tahir.
Yeah.
Very beautiful.
Navika, Pratik. Oh my god, man. Look at Pratik's drawing. Very beautiful. Pratik, it seems you've already done thread work. It's not looking like it's your first time. Very good. Tanvi, Kiran, Janisha, Bhanupriya, Durvang, Bhuvan, Navika, Ahan, Risha. Very beautiful drawings. Varuni, Tushani,
Kaira,
Vaishnavi,
Sahir,
Shashmita.
Vaishnavi. Everyone has done beautifully.
Yeah, Varuni, Akshaj, Arya, Parsh, Kaira, Avleen, Avika, very beautiful, very beautiful. Nihira, Vidhi, Arav, Kritika, Harveen, very good drawings. Very good, Pratyush Sharman, Kavya. So, ma'am, I think now we can move on to the next drawing.
Okay,
We've made
now
very
we are
beautiful
going to
drawings.
make a butterfly. Everyone is excited.
Just type in the chat box what colors you're going to use for your butterfly. You know, butterflies have so many different colors. Just type in your favorite colors that you're going to use in the butterfly. Brunal says yellow and red and green. Mariam, very good. Pink, red, yellow. Wow. So yellow and red seems to be the most, the most popular colors in the kids. So, ma'am, should we use those colors only?
Okay, then we are also going to take a yellow and red.
Yes.
Or some yellow color in your plate. And red. Now take a thread. Put half of the thread in yellow color and half of the thread in red color. And half in red color. Now what you have to do? Fold the paper from the middle. Open it. And place your thread. Just like this. Now you have to pull thread from this direction. Can't see. Now you are able to see. Now pull the thread. Open it. Now use the same thread and place it like this. Okay, now this time you have to pull the thread from the bottom side. Place the thread, close this, and this time you have to pull a thread from the bottom side. Open it.
Wow, ma'am, this actually looks very beautiful. This actually looks like a very pretty butterfly. I think all the kids who can just see what ma'am has made, the shape of the butterfly has actually come out of this. And also, I will request all of the little kids who are making these beautiful butterflies in bouquets to just click a picture and send the pictures to us on WhatsApp at the number that I've shared in the chat, and we will pick a creation of the day. One lucky kid, the most beautiful drawing will be picked by us, and it will be the creation of the day. You can also share all your drawings on your Instagram, and please do tag Learnart when you share it.
Okay, after when you're done with this, you have to take a pen, pencil, marker, sketch pen, whatever you have. And in the middle of the drawing, you have to draw the shape of a butterfly. Make a circle here, fill it. And the other rest of the body posture like this. And here your butterfly is done.
Wow, it looks very beautiful, ma'am. So some of the kids are saying that they want to see it again. Can you just make this butterfly once again so that these kids can
Yes.
see the process? Thank you.
Okay. I'm going to make this again. Okay. Take another sheet. And this time I'm going to take a green color, green and red. Now what you have to do, take a thread, pour half of the thread in a red color, and half in green color. You can take whatever color you want to take. Now, take a sheet, fold it from the middle. Okay. You have to leave the space here, little space here, okay? From the middle. Now take a thread and make any shape pattern you want. On upward side of the sheet, like I'm doing here. Fold it, press it hardly, and just pull the thread. Now take the same thread, make a pattern like this. In the bottom portion of the paper, fold it and pull it now. Okay. This time. Put this thread in yellow color. Again, I'm going to place it here on the sheet to add more color to my butterfly. Just like this. Fold it. And pull the thread.
So, ma'am, our butterfly is complete.
We have to draw the middle portion.
Okay. The wings look very beautiful.
Okay, now you have to draw middle portion of the butterfly. Make a circle here. One curve like this. Draw another curvy line. And here our butterfly is ready. Yeah. It's clear, right?
Yes, ma'am. Wow. So I hope all other kids also have made the butterfly. I can see some hand raises. देविशी, इरमान, साहिर, देवांशी. आप लोगों को कोई doubt है तो आप chat में लिख सकते हैं. Whatever your doubts are. And I can see Devishi and Devanshi. They have they're holding their drawings. So, ma'am, एक बार बस देख लीजिए. They've made very beautiful drawings. Kiran as well.
Okay.
So I'll request all the kids now to just showcase what they've made, all the flowers that they've made, all the butterflies that they've made. Yes, Kyra, we can see it's very beautiful.
Sahir, I can see you have made very beautiful. You're able to make butterfly and make a bird.
Avleen made a
No
bird.
problem, Avleen.
I request all the kids to just showcase what they've made.
Okay, everyone show me whatever you have made. Akshaj.
I can see Arya, Navika, Shashmita, Damanpreet, Hasvika, Avleen, very beautiful drawings, very beautiful thread work.
Beautiful, Suhan, Ayan, Sumani, Devanshi.
Pariti, Batul, Pari, you also you all have made very beautiful butterflies.
Batul, it's very nice. Leher, it's beautiful.
Bhanupriya. Ma'am, I'll just show you Bhanupriya's. Can you see her drawing? See the drawings?
Wow, it's beautiful.
Very beautiful. It's amazing.
Okay, Dhanvi have also done beautiful. Bhanupriya, it's beautiful. Okay, Janisha, it's beautiful. Wow, very
Tanvi,
nice. Everyone
Hanchini.
has done.
Yes, ma'am. Very beautiful drawings. So we might not be able to check your drawing right now, right here, because we have a lot of participants. We understand, But do send your drawings to us on our WhatsApp number, as I've already told you in the chat box. I'll just write the number again, and then we will select the creation of the day. So don't forget to send all your drawings on our WhatsApp number.
And and also tag us on Learn Art, right?
Yes, do tag us on Instagram. If you share anything, please tag us, and our Instagram account is LearnArt. LearnArt .in. I'll just share it. This is our number.
Mitansh has made very beautiful butterfly. Share. I will check everyone butterfly. Please send us on our WhatsApp number, and there I am going to see everyone's butterfly. Okay. And register yourself for the other activities too. Our art mela is going on.
So, ma'am, we're done with this session, right?
Yeah, we are done.
Very beautiful drawings made by all the kids. Just share every drawing of yours on our WhatsApp number. Thank you so much, Kiran ma'am, for showcasing us butterflies, not just one, but two, and also a bouquet of beautiful flowers. I hope all of you will make many more beautiful things with the threads. Your imagination, has no boundaries. Just make anything that you want. We'll love to see your
And
beautiful
share
drawings.
with us also.
Yes, Kiran ma'am will be very happy to see all the drawings that you make using threads. So this brings us to an end for this session. I really enjoyed the session. I hope you all enjoyed the session as well with Kiran ma'am. As ma'am said, do register for other activities as well, and please do attend other activities as well. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, everyone.